Hi, my presentation is on Wash Circle Laundry, which is a social business. Wash Circle is a commercial laundry and linen rental services founded in 2010 in West Philadelphia as a social enterprise to create jobs and second chances for people overcoming histories of homelessness, incarceration. The social issues addressed by our Wash Circle include the following: exposure to vehicular emission. Exposure to vehicle emission has been linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, lung disease, and developmental delays. Vehicle emission has also contributed carbon monoxide, which is a major factor in climate change. Also is water use. Water waste contributes to higher energy consumption for water treatment, transport, and distribution. Water scarcity drive climate-induced migrations, with estimates suggesting millions could be displaced in 2050. There's also the issue of unhireable people. There are thousands of people who have been excluded from the job market due to former incarceration, and also homeless people, and also people who have dependence on public benefits. Washekul pioneered the use of cargo bike delivery, also known as biking the laundry, to pick up and deliver laundry services to homes and businesses, even in various kinds of weather, which has proven to be the fastest, greenest way around where they operate. This has drastically reduced vehicular emissions from gasoline, which impacts climate change and promotes healthier living. So what Circle is the pioneer in using bikes in hauling laundry. What Circle has a 25,000 SF laundry plant located in Lynn, Massachusetts. Uh, Over 1 million pounds of laundry per month is processed with equipment that make use of water reuse and recycling technology. With this technology, it uses about 70% less water than typical in-house operations and about 30% less energy. 20,000 to 30,000 gallons of water per day are saved using this technology. Jobs are created and second chances are given to people overcoming histories of homelessness, incarceration. It is called second chance hiring or sometimes mission hiring. Uh, when the CEO of Watch Circle was interviewed sometimes back, he made a statement. He said, "We have an explicit mission to create job opportunities for people who have been excluded from the labor market. We track four categories of people: people who have been formerly incarcerated, people who have been formerly homeless, people who are in recovery, or people who have a history of dependence on public benefits." Because this company has this group of people, that helps to increase the number of people engaged in gainful employment and also reduces the on labor market. The impact of the social innovation: permanent jobs for second chance hires. People's lives are changed when people are hired who are unhireable previously. Their life turns around automatically. Create business opportunity for recruitment organizations. Recruitment organizations are engaged or partnered with by watch circles where they can get people who fall within that range of the persons who will work for them. There's a cleaner planet because of the water recycling technology which they use. We have a cleaner planet because they use bikes to haul laundry. We have a cleaner planet which reduces emissions into the atmosphere. Improve public health conditions, less emission into the atmosphere, better health. Decrease in energy consumption because they use less water as a result of the technology which they use. They use less energy. With less energy, there's a lower cost of energy also being used. Environmental degradation. a mobile, efficient, and better delivery service to public. Social innovation struggles and failures. Bike maintenance is a big issue because bikes are particularly designed for individual use, not for business use. So most of the time, these bikes break down. The use of bikes has an advantage, also has its disadvantage. There are companies who will not patronize them as a result of thinking that hauling a laundry with a bike makes them an unserious company. Successes and accomplishments. They provide jobs and training, offers employment and advancement opportunities to individuals facing barriers to work. Positive impact on employees. Because employees are engaged in permanent employment, they give their best and bring and do quality work. Partnership with non-profits. They partner with non-profits and in so doing, they provide funds or money or patronage to those group of persons who provide the group of people that they need for their own company to work for them. Sustainable delivery uses a bicycle-based fleet for delivery, reducing emissions, fuel costs, and vehicular maintenance. There's a faster delivery system as a result of using bikes to navigate through the city where they operate. There's also successful expansion. When they started in West Philly, and with years, they have been able to expand to other areas, other states, like in Washington, D.C., and also in Austin, Texas. Recommendation for improvement. I would recommend that they redesign the haulage bike in such a way that the bike will be able to carry commercial laundry. In so doing, that will affect their business positively. Word of mouth advertisement is what they have been doing. I would suggest that they market their campaign, their brand, using social medias and other promotional avenues to help to expand their business. Recommendation for scaling. I would submit that they expand to their operations to other cities and states, and then using the bike haulage system as their brand. I think they will be successful in doing that. And also that they market their brand to other businesses who have not patronized them. And that will help their business too. And thank you for listening. And these are some of my cited resources.